How's it going, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and repaint your vinyl shutters. Alright guys, we are here at my parents' house and these shutters have been hanging there almost as long as I've been alive. So they're doing a few projects around the house, and one that they want to do is to get these shutters off. They want to go with a little bit different color scheme. So I'm going to get these off, I'm going to clean them up, and then I'm going to repaint them and reinstall them. And I'm going to take you guys along and show you exactly how we're going to do that. But first, if you haven't done it yet, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. Now let's get to work. First thing we're going to do is spray around these shutters just to kill off any critters, spiders, or wasps that might be hiding in there. The stuff that I'm using is called Bifin. It's the best bug killer in the world. I'll link to it in the description below. Now it's time to lift those shutters off, and of course before we do that we're going to check one last time to make sure there's nothing hiding back there. These shutters are actually really easy to remove. They have a keyhole style clip on the back, so all you have to do to take them off is lift up and out. And to clean off 30 years of dust, dirt, and spider webs, we're just going to be using our pressure washer. Now that we've got them sprayed off, we're going to be using some simple green along with a mildly abrasive sponge to really clean these up well. You can see before we start scrubbing the faded colors and all the oxidation on this shutter. And you'll notice as we start scrubbing, a lot of that oxidation is going to come off and some of that vibrant color is going to come back. And just that made a huge difference on this shutter. If you're not planning to repaint them, this may be all you have to do to bring those old shutters back to life. But since we're going for a whole new color, we have a little more work to do. Now some of these shutters had paint bubbles and paint chips in them, and before we get started painting, we're going to want to go over those with a sander just to kind of smooth them out and hopefully make it less noticeable once the new paint is on. And now we're ready for paint. Now you could use a brush or rattle can spray paint for this, but you'll get a lot more professional look with an airless paint sprayer similar to the one I'm using here, and I will link to some in the description below. And you're going to want to give this 2 or 3 coats just to make sure you get good coverage. And now that they've dried, I think these look great. That paint sprayer really gave it a nice, smooth, even finish, and I love that deep dark black. And now we're ready to put these back on the wall. Now our mounting screws are still in the wall, and I've found that the easiest way to get these back up is to go ahead and hang the clip onto that mounting screw. That way you can just position your shutter, hold it in place, and then give it a tap on the outside and it'll clip right back into that hardware. And I'm really happy with the results, guys. It's really amazing how just a small restoration project like this can really change the overall look of the house for the better. Alright guys, that is it for how to restore and paint your old vinyl shutters. I hope this video helped you out. I really think it turned out great, and it's given this house a whole new look. If you have any questions, make sure you let us know in the comment section below. And if you want to help support the channel, make sure you use our links in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.